Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share this skincare and minimal makeup look that I do usually right after I shower. So first, we're starting with this Mario Badescu facial spray. This one with the rose water is my favorite. Don't know what I'm doing. Glossier Super Bounce is next. So my skin is super dry, so this stuff basically keeps everything super hydrated with the hyaluronic acid. I like to take it, rub it between my hands, and pat it dry onto my face until it soaks up. Next up is this Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This is an old favorite and I recently repurchased it. It's very hydrating and kind of wet almost. So I like to take it between my fingers and dab it all over under my eye, on my eyelids, kind of just all over the eye area. Nice and gentle. Next up is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I really like this stuff because of how minimal it is, so it's just does what it needs to do. It's hydrating, no scent. I like it. Next up is the Glam Glow Glow Starter that I received in this little kit of all the other masks. I really like this product because of how glowy and illuminating it is, and it's super hydrating also. So I'll either wear this on its own or underneath makeup if I choose to wear makeup, but basically my skin is super dry, so I will take all the moisturization I can get. So the last step of my skin prep is SPF. So I like to use this Supergoop Super Screen Daily Moisturizer with SPF 40. I love this stuff so much. It's super hydrating, but also not sticky. It absorbs quickly, doesn't leave a weird white cast or film. So if you're looking for a good SPF moisturizer, I highly recommend this one. So onto the makeup, I like to start with this Glossier Stretch Concealer. This one is great for when I just want something super light. So the coverage is really light. It's good enough just to cover the dark circles that I have, especially when I don't sleep well. I also like to use this around and on my eyelids too, just to even things out, especially since I do have eczema, which tends to creep up on my eyelids. So I like to use this product for that. So I don't always do this step, but if I do powder, I like to use this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in dim light. It's just nice just to set things in place and keep it nice and soft. And I can't do makeup anytime without highlighter, so this is Maybelline's Master Chrome in Molten Gold. I just love highlighter so much. I just want all of it, so the glowier for me, the better, because I am super dry. I need that extra glow and shine. So I like this on the usual places, cheekbones, right under that brow bone, a little bit on the eyelids, and then I also like to bring it on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and chin. So the next product is a lip balm. So my lips get really dry and I also like SPF in my lip products. So this one is the Jack Black Shea Butter one with SPF 25. Highly recommend this one as well. Next up is a lip oil. So Can Make Fruity Pure Lip Oil with glitter. Got this in Japan. I like it just for a little extra shine and hydration. Okay, so next up is my hair. I tend to let it air dry, and when I do, I like to use this Blush Cosmetic R&B Hair Moisturizer. It's super thick, and I like to put it on my hair while it's still wet. I like to take a bit of the product, rub it in between my hands so it's a little bit evenly dispersed, and then I like to just rub it into my hair, starting about halfway down through to the end, finger comb it, and just let it air dry. No heat. So I also like to smell nice. So here is the Jo Malone Frangipani Flower Cologne. I got this in Japan. It was a limited spring edition one and it's one of my favorites. So that is it for the final look. This is what I like to do on a more everyday basis. Even though we are in quarantine, I'll do this if I am going for groceries or just at home. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.